Alrighty, my dudes, what is up? We're playing some Resident Evil 2 with a brand new mod. Let's get right into it. I'm so excited to do this. Okay, okay, we got like spooky naked boys, girly zombies. Whoa, that was close. It was real close. Whoa! Oh, you got me. Fuck off. Get out of here. Wait, this door doesn't fucking work? Oh, fuck. This isn't the door. I have no clue what to do here. Shit. Okay, oh my god, that's the best critical that could have happened. Oh my fucking god, how did I not notice that? Fuck it, I'm just running. Get the fuck out of here. Whoa, no, fuck. Wait. Ugh. It's locked. A club is cool. What the fuck, man? Hey, it's locked from inside. Oh, fuck. Come on, you fucker. Wait, my... Shit on my ass, all of you. Okay, I'm better than I was that last time, actually. You fucking bitch. What do I do? Okay, there's a door there. Gotcha. Okay, what do we got here? Burst crossbow. Oh, come on! Oh, shit. Eat my balls. Wait, what? Oh my fucking god. Uh-oh. Come on, bitches. Oh my god. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing right now. Okay, come on, fuck off. Yeah, that's right, eat my shit. So where the fuck am I going? Like, I was supposed to go the other way, wasn't I? I'm absolutely fucked. It is not the randomizer of... it is called Survival of the Fittest. Whoa! Fuck. Oh, you fucking stupid asshole! Here. Oh my god, maybe not. Oh, come on, get off me! You fucking bitch. You fucking stupid twat. Oh my god. Nope, I'm not even taking that. I'm not even fucking taking that. That was horse shit. Alright, you dumb bitch. Let's go. It's that fucking female by the car that keeps fucking... Oh my god, I pressed the fuck. Resident Evil. Send your Discord. Fucking stupid bitch. Oh fuck, I looked away for 1 second, you start fucking running, you stupid cunt. Oh my god, I just want to get past it with like one hit. Oh! You off-screen motherfucker! Go. Fucking suck my balls. Come on, fucking make it. God damn, at least they're all in front of me. Come on, go. No, get away from me! You know what? That's fine. Okay, these are just weak boys. You son of a bitch. Oh my god. Everyone's dead? Okay, warning. A first aid spray. Am I seriously fucked here again? Oh my god. They're gonna transport me, aren't they? Man, this mod's got me all confused. Yep. Fucking knew it. Fuck off. There we go. Oh my god. I can't believe I just made that. Missed me. Haha, I knew it. I fucking knew it. Whoa. No, you can suck my balls. Holy shit, come on, knock them all down. Knock them all fucking down. Suck on my balls. What is it? Oh. Oh. Well, okay. This we can work with. This we can work with. Okay. So those first two bitches are gonna fuck me right up. Like, come on. Come on. Okay, I just gotta go. Fuck, I'm dead. Oh my god, awesome. The precinct key. I know that he takes. You fucking stupid bitch, get out of here, get out of here, get out of. Come on, get the fuck out of here, you stupid cunt. Yes! I'm in! What? Fuck, that noise scared the shit out of me. Custom B. What? Man, what is with all this extra shit? I don't even know what's going on. Well then. Composite parts? What? Man, he's put a lot of thought into this. Like, I'm gonna have to give this guy some props. Oh shit. There's one here, that's right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. 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 Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? Come on. You fucking stupid. What in the fuck? I can't go that way? That's hilarious. Fucking shit, you son of a bitch. Come on. What the fuck? One more time. Oh, come on. Will you just let me down? Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.